Two of torches. Seeing is believing. X marks the spot. And with this being in reverse, this was the wrong spot to pick. For me, was it? It's not. Oh yeah, with the plot, the 10 of books. Look at this. How does look? This 10 of books. I owe you something, King of Beakers, Beaker King. Do I owe anybody anything? Didn't I row this motherfucking boat gently down the stream? I didn't row this boat down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. See, that shit wasn't what it seemed.